If you're thinking about producing notebooks, there are a couple things you need to keep in mind. There are three primary sources for notebooks. There's one on the East Coast, one on the West Coast, and then finished goods that are imported from China. Now, the advantage of finished goods imported from China are, number one, they're less expensive. Number two, since it is an on-the-shelf item, the turnaround time is usually pretty quick. Also, those notebooks are distributed to many decorators across the United States, so you should be able to find a decorator that is relatively near your office or your event, thus reducing the transit time and the cost of transit. Now, the drawbacks are the lack of customization options on these items. If you're looking for something a little more unique, say you work with artists and you want blank pages, or are these going to be used for notes and you have lined pages, or if you're working with graphic designers or production professionals that would prefer a grid, those sorts of customizations probably need to be done here in the United States. And the following question is, where are you or where is your event? And that will determine which of the two, the one on the East Coast or the West Coast, that we would use for production. So what I would suggest is that you get a clear view in your mind of what you want the finished good to be and what your priorities are. And once you have that, then ask your supplier, ask your distributor, where are they coming from, what are our options, and that way you can get the book that you want, the book that you need. Also, cut the turnaround time, the shipping costs, and have a successful product. I'm Mike Stanton with Agitprop, urging you to ask more questions of your suppliers and get better results.